Guys, because I haven't vlogged in a while, especially at work, so we're gonna do some come to work with me type stuff today. So I'm at work. I've been here maybe an hour, so we should have action in just about 13 minutes or so. So I'm headed up to see if we're set up and ready for action. Okay. Just another day in the life, okay, at the airport. It's been slow though since COVID though, but we're picking up. And y'all, so my birthday's coming up. I just been planning that, getting ready for that, and just working and trying to get y'all some videos up in the meantime. In between time, I got a lot of wig videos coming up, so stay tuned for those.
I think the sun goes down at 4:50 every day, something like that. Yeah.
There's Darnell.
Ticket counter.
Yeah, so that's where if they're downstairs.
Oh, there she go. There go home girl.
All right, guys, it is quitting time. Whoop, whoop. And I have been using my Coldest cup. Love this cup. So if you haven't gotten a chance to order one of these, you definitely want one of these, especially if you work and you drink a lot of water and you want to keep your water cold. This is definitely the cup to have.